Hi everyone, it's Miss Gonzalez. I hope you guys are doing good, that you guys are staying safe. This video is to show you guys how to make face masks. Simple and easy. It'll be about 3 minutes or maybe less. So if you want to learn how to make some simple face masks, stay tuned. Okay, so in order to make our face mask, we're going to need elastic, a piece of cloth measured at your preference, needle, thread, and scissors. Okay, so at this point, our first step is to grab our cloth and create 4 little ruffles on our mask. And we're going to need to iron it, and you're going to need your parent or guardian for this step, just so we get a better outcome. Here, I'm grabbing my thread and needle and sewing the ruffles on the front part. Then I'm grabbing 2 little strips of elastic and I'm placing them on each side. You'll then grab your needle and thread and you're going to sew the elastic in place. Secure it very well. Again, you're going to need a parent or guardian for this step. Here I am demonstrating that I put my thread through my needle, and remember that at the end you need to make a knot so your thread and needle is secure while you're sewing the elastic in place. When you start to secure your elastic in place while sewing, it'll look something like this as I am demonstrating. Remember to make a little flap just so you can secure your elastic a little better. You're going to do that on both sides. So this is the end result. It looks a little weird like this, but once it's on your face, it stretches out and it looks way better. Hope you guys like it.